Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to find a leap year. A leap year is a year with 366 days instead of 365 days. Let's check how to find a leap year. There are simple rules. In leap year, February has 29 days instead of 28 days. First, there are three simple rules. We have to check the year is divisible by 4 or not. If the year is divisible by 4, it may be a chance of leap year, but if it is not divisible by 4, it is not a leap year. Then, if it is divisible by 4, then we have to check it is divisible by 100 or not. If it is divisible by 100, then it must also be divisible by 400 to be a leap year, because the years ended by 0 must also divisible by 400 should be a leap year. If it is not divisible by 100, but if it is divisible by 100 but not 400, it is not a leap year. Let's go through the program. First, open VS Code. Start. I will name it as leap year. Enter. Save this file. Here, start writing the program. First, we should include our header file. For using a scene, cout and other, we should use namespace std using Let's start writing our program. Int main. This is our main function. For leap year, we should take year from the user as an input. Let's declare a variable named year, integer. It is of integer type. We should print the user to enter the year. So cout. Cout means printing out to the console. Enter the year. We should take the input from the user by using cin. For where we are storing the input from the year, we are storing it in year variable. Cin year, we are storing it in year. Let's check conditions. We can write it in two way. I will teach you both. First, I will teach you the way I explained you earlier. If here modulus of 4 equal to 0. What this modulus function gives? This modulus function gives out the remainder. If year is completely divisible by 4 and gives 0 as remainder, we can check next condition. Next, we have to check is year divided by 100. If year modulus 100 equal to 0. If it is divisible by 100, then it should divisible by 400 to be a leap year. Then it should be divisible by 400. If year modulus, if it is divisible by 100, then it should divisible by 400 for it to be a leap year. Then we are checking if it is divisible by 100, then it should divisible by 400. If it is divisible by 400, then it is a leap year. Print out as leap year. If it is not divisible by 400, then else print out not a leap year. If it is divisible by 4 and it is not divisible by 100, means it is a leap year. Else the other condition is leap year. See out. We have to write the else condition for this also, right? If it is not divisible by 4, means it should not enter this loop. For this we have to include another else. See out. Okay. Let's save this file. We should return 0 because it is an int main. I didn't mean to return that. Let's save this file and run. It is showing enter here. Let's check this year. This year is 2025. We'll see it is not a leap year. Okay, we will run it again and check for other also. Previous year 2024. Yeah, it is a leap year. We had 29 days in February. Then we will check 2000. Sorry, we should run it again. 2000. Yeah, it is a leap year. Check 1998. 1998. Yeah, it is not a leap year. You can check any other also. We can write this program in another way. I will remove the C file log. We will check if year is completely divisible by 4, year modulus of 4 equal to 0, and logical AND means both the conditions should be true. Here modulus of 100 not equal to 0 means it is completely divisible by 4 and not completely divisible by 100 means it is a leap year. See out. Leap year. Fine. Next we will check else if it is divisible by 100 and divisible by 400 also, means leap year. And means both the conditions should be true. See out. Leap year. Else if both the condition are false, other than it is a non-leap year. See out. Not a leap year. Save this file and run again. Let's check for this year. 2025, not a leap year. Let's check for 2002, not a leap year, fine. Let's check for 2004 also, not a leap year. Let's check for 1900. It is also not a leap year, you can check it. And also we can check for 1996. It is also not a leap year. It is a leap year. Check for 2000. It is a leap year. Check for 1995. It is not a leap year. Here 1900 is divisible by 4 also. Okay. But it is divisible by 4 also. It is divisible by 100 also. But it is not divisible by 400. So, if it is divisible by 4 and divisible by 100, it should divide by 400. That's the logic. Here, you can also delete this year modulus of 100 equal to 0, because it should enter this condition if year modulus of 100 not equal to 0 means year modulus of 100 equal to 0. It should enter this condition if this happen only. If it is divisible by 4 and not divisible by 100, then else if is checking. So, it is, if it enter this block, it should not be divisible by, it should be divisible by 100, sorry. So, we can also remove that. From this also our code work fine. By removing that also our code working fine. You can check it. Enter it as 1994, not a leap year. 1992, leap year. 2004, leap year. 2025, not a leap year. It is also working fine. So that's it, guys. Now you know how to easily find out whether the year is a leap year or not a leap year by using this program. If you found out this video helpful or useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple explanation. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.